different numbers and focusing on it that way. Because it might not be on a test coming up, but you never know when you might see it. And being able to write a number in multiple ways is very, very important. So, looking at this problem, it says, what is another way in base 10 that I could represent this number? So as of right now, we have a cube, we have 3 flats, we have 2 rods, and we have 9 ones. But it's wanting us to show in base 10 another way to represent this number. Benjamin. Put the what? Put the tens in the ones place. I could do that. So, there's going to be a lot of ways that we can do this. So I'm going to do do it on my dry erase board so I can show multiple ways. So you said take a 10, put one of the tens in the ones place. Okay, so I would still have 1 cube, right? Okay. Would my flats change? No. And then Benjamin said I would take one of those tens and make the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then how many did I already have? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. There's one way that I could have represented that in a different way with base 10. Diego, what's another way that I could have done that?
You could take the thousands away.
Okay, I can take the thousands away. What would I take it away and give me?
It would give you 10 hundreds.
It would give me 10 flats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then how many flats did I already have?
3.
And then I had my 2 rods. And then my 9 ones. So there's multiple ways that we can represent this number. Okay? And I need you to remember that that is how you can show representation of these. So since it was easier to do just my 9 ones, I meant my 19 ones, so we said it was a cube still. So I had 1,000. And then we still had our 300s. But yet we took this 10 and moved it over there, right? So then I only had 1 rod. And then that gave me 19 ones. Same number, right? Still gives me the same number? Yes. I still have 1,329. It's just represented in a different way. Because if I count this picture, I have 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,310, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Same thing? Y'all two were about to be kicked out of my classroom. Perfect. So, just representing it in a different way. But it still gives you the same answer. Okay. This one is just like the question that we had on our TWA. I have this picture below. Pick the answer that does not. So you're looking for the right answer or the wrong answer?
Wrong answer.
Okay, wrong answer. So the first thing that I want to do is find out what this number even is. So if I'm looking at my base 10, I have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 334 is my number, right? Well, I just gave myself standard form. Here is an answer choice of standard form 334. Is that the right answer or the wrong answer?
Right answer.
Is that what we want?
No.
No, it's not, so I'm Xing that out. Remember, we're looking for the wrong answer. Okay? Well, now we can go look at this expanded form. It says 300. Yeah, I have that. It has a 30 in the tens place. Well, I only see 2 right here, but I sure do have a lot of what?
One.
Ones. How many ones do I have to make a rod, Omar?
10.
10. Well, here's 10 right here. So I could move those over. Now, do I have 30?
Yes.
Okay? And then do I have 4 ones?
Yes.
Is that the right answer or wrong answer?
Right answer.
Is that what we want?
No.
No, it's not. Exit that out. Okay? Now look at this one. It says 300s. Do I have 300s?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? Well, it says that I had 2010s. If I took this back and moved it over, would I still have 2010s?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? Oh, that should say 2 10s, not 2010s. Whoops. And then it says I have 4 ones. But I just took this rod away, so where did those ones have to go? Back over here. So do I only have 4 ones? I just took this rod back over here because it says that you had 2 10s. So if we're saying yes, that's right, this rod is no longer here, and all of these ones are back over here. So do I have only 4 ones?
No.
No. That's not what my picture shows. So is this the right answer or the wrong answer?
Wrong answer.
Is that what we want?
Yes.
And then it says 334. Is that what our number is?
Yes.
Yes, 334. So is that the right answer or wrong answer?
Right answer.
Remember, if you're looking at this, and if you take this rod away, your ones have to stay here. You can't move them. But if you have your rod there, then yes, those disappear. So pay attention to how you're working the problem. If you cover this up with your finger, your ones are still there. Because that rod is no longer a representation. Okay? That is where we're going to get mixed up. Capiche? Okay, so it says, how could you show this number in different ways? Please fill out the chart below. So right now you have this picture of base 10. What is another way that I could show this in base 10? Anna. Okay, 400s. You have 500s up here, friend. Where'd the other 100 go? Okay. So you're leaving your flats the same, but you want all of these, or do you want both of these to go into the ones, or just one of them? Okay, so she's taking those out. So you have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have these 6. Okay, I I just showed that number in a different way by using base 10. Okay, now it wanted me to do it in expanded form. Well, what would my expanded form be? Ignore the fact that I marked those out. What would my expanded form be with this picture right here? Emmanuel.
500
500
plus 20
plus 20
plus 6.
plus 6. Boom. There's expanded form. Okay? Now it wants it in standard form. What standard form? The regular old number. Mario, what's the regular old number for that base 10? 526. And then written form. When you write out a number, you write it just like you say it, right? Okay, so how am I going to write it? 526. 26. Easy peasy. When you're writing the word, all you're doing is just saying the word and writing it just like you say it. 526. Isn't that what I just wrote? That's all you have to do whenever you are writing it. Okay? So, I have us an exit ticket that I want us to focus on. We're going to do the exit ticket, and then we're going to break into math centers. So I need you to quietly get to your desk.